Hey peeps, Candace here with Cam's Only One Life. This fall we are doing an ATC swap and a mail art swap with a fall theme. So I am out of my leaves. So I'm going to take this Tattered leaves die. I made a video on this. It was in 2012, so it's over 10 years old. So I'm just going to go ahead and make some more and let you go along with me on this journey. I'm using these file folders that are very thin. They're sort of the cheapest that you can get, and I will cut them down to be able to fit in here, and I think I can cut 9 at once. So because there's 3 here, I can do 3 thickness of these and it should cut just fine. So we're going to start with that. Get my cat out of the way. Okay, this is the last one, and I'm very thankful for this HOLTZ die cutter because last time I did this I used a cuttle bug, and so everything was by hand. I made 360 leaves and they lasted me for 10 years, over 10 years. You can see that you have to kind of separate them because they come out squished together, so you want to make sure to separate them. Okay. Make sure they're all separated. And then there also is a right side and a wrong side on these, because you can see, if this will zoom in for me, you can see that there's like a lip there, and so this is the side you want to use. Anyways, I have had this die for all these years and would never, I just can't imagine letting it go because it's amazing. It's an amazing die. So now I used 12 file folders, and I did 100, and each file folder gave me 12, so that gives me 144. That should last me a while. I don't think I need to make 360. So let's go to the next step. Next, I've got some embossing folders here. You want to do something that's sort of intricate and has a lot of lines. I also like doing the dots. I did that last time. And so these are the 3 I'm going to try. And I'm just going to do probably half the leaves, maybe even less, because I like to just mix them up so they're all different. And I want to make sure that the top part is going to be up. So looks like I can do probably 4 or 5 in here at once. I can get away with that. Let's see how it goes. So now we have half of our leaves all put through. You can see these half are still flat. These have the Swiss dots. This has this flourishy bit on them. Okay. And what happens is when you spray them, the spray will sort of get in the crevices and cracks and give you some nice patterns, and especially when you have the shiny, like Lindy's Stamp Gang that has a shine in it. So next step, spraying. So now I'm going to take these and I'm just going to spread them out. These file folders are so flimsy. They just have no weight to them whatsoever, so they're perfect for these types of projects. And I'm going to put all the ones that have been put through the embossing folders. I'm going to keep those, do those separately. Okay, you can see all the colors I've got. Okay, I'm going to start with the yellows on each one and then work my way. So here they are. Look at these beautiful, these are all the flat ones. I'm going to put the flat ones in one place because I know they're going to need different work. And look at how these come out. Oh, they're so awesome. And then there's some flat ones on here. And then these are the dotted ones. Can you see them? Okay, so the next step at this point is to do the edging. So my favorite colors to do the edging on these are red persimmon, barn door, so those oranges, aged mahogany, and then this dark purple, seedless preserves, and then vintage photo for something that might be already sort of dark and have a lot of browns in it. So we're just going to get going on these. Okay, I'm down to my last few, which makes me happy because this took a while. Do a different color up there. And you can see these here are all the ones that have the bumpiness because I used the can't talk and do this at the same time, obviously. I use the embossing folders on it. So those are good. I'm going to call those good, and then I'm going to go to the next step on these. And the next step will be to stamp on these with a Tim Holtz leaf stamp to give them veins. Okay, next step is to take some glossy accents and put water dewdrops on all these leaves. So this is about half of the flat leaves that did not get embossing fold get embossed. And so we're just gonna go through and make water droplets. And as I'm dropping them, you can see they look white, but when they dry, they will be clear. So I'm going to do this. And lastly, I have these flat ones that I'm going to put this multi-medium gloss over. This will make the colors pop, and so all of these will get a pop of color because I'm putting this on, and I can't rub it too much because it'll make the colors run, so I gotta be careful about. I just have to get it on there and move on to the next one. Okay, these are the last 3, 4, and then I'm gonna leave these overnight to dry. So we'll see you tomorrow with the final product. So here we have the final result. As you can see, these are the flat ones that I did the glossy accents on, so you can see the little water droplets on those. Here's the rest. You can see the flat ones that I did glossy medium on, and then the ones that were put through the embossing folders. So super fun. I think they're beautiful. I made 144, and hopefully that'll last me for a few years. We'll see how it goes, but so happy to have these again. Thanks for watching. It's on to make my mail art envelopes next. Also, mail art and ATC swaps are open for October. I'm going to give you until mid-November to get them to me because over the holidays we won't do swaps. It just gets too busy. So sign up now, get them done, and then you'll be ready for the winter one coming in January. Thanks for watching.